Join me as I take on the challenge of waking up at 5 a.m. every day for 30 days straight, armed only with the wisdom of modern productivity hacks. Today I want to talk about a fascinating concept that has been gaining traction in the world of personal growth and modern wisdom, the 30-day challenge of waking up at 5 a.m. every single day. The idea is simple yet powerful. By rising with the sun, you set yourself up for a productive day, feeling more energized, focused, and in control of your life. We've all heard about the benefits of waking up early, but let's be real, actually doing it is a whole different story. When you're trying to adopt an early rising routine, one of the biggest struggles you'll face is fatigue. You're used to sleeping in, and suddenly you're forcing your body to wake up at an ungodly hour. It's no wonder you feel like you've been hit by a truck. Another major hurdle is motivation. Why bother waking up early when you could just sleep in and enjoy a few extra hours of coziness? Then there's the issue of habit formation. Our brains are wired to resist change, so it takes a lot of effort to create a new habit, especially one as drastic as waking up at 5 a.m. You need to reprogram your brain to think differently, to prioritize your goals and aspirations over the comfort of your bed. And let's not forget about the social aspect. When everyone around you is sleeping in, it's hard to stay motivated and avoid feeling like you're missing out. As you start your early rising journey, you'll likely encounter a multitude of obstacles, from snoozing through your alarm to struggling to find meaning in the quiet morning hours. You'll need to find ways to stay committed, to push through the initial discomfort and find a rhythm that works for you. Over the next 30 days, I embarked on a journey to put this concept to the test, and I want to share my experiences with you. From the moment I set my alarm clock to 5 a.m., I knew it wouldn't be easy. I've never been a morning person, and the thought of waking up at dawn sent shivers down my spine. But I was determined to see it through, to push past my limits and uncover the secrets of this elusive morning routine. I tried various strategies to stay committed, from placing my alarm clock on the other side of the room to drinking a full glass of water as soon as I woke up. Some days were better than others, but I slowly started to notice a change within myself. I felt more energized, more focused, and more in control of my life. I began to enjoy the quiet morning hours, using them to meditate, journal, and plan out my day. There were, of course, moments of weakness, when all I wanted to do was roll over and go back to sleep. But I persisted, driven by my desire to unlock the potential of this early rising routine. As the days went by, I started to feel a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that I was pushing past my limits and creating a new, better version of myself. But the real breakthrough came when I realized that waking up at 5 a.m. wasn't just about the morning routine itself, it was about the person I was becoming in the process. I was becoming more disciplined, more focused, and more intentional with my time. I was becoming the person I had always wanted to be, the person I knew I could be if I just pushed through the initial discomfort. One of the most significant insights I gained during this journey was the importance of self-reflection and self-awareness. By taking the time to journal, meditate, and reflect on my experiences, I was able to identify areas for improvement and make meaningful changes to my life. I started to see the world in a new light, as a place of endless possibility and opportunity. In the end, my 30-day journey taught me that waking up at 5 a.m. isn't just about the time of day, it's about the person you become in the process. It's about embracing the discomfort, pushing past your limits, and unlocking your true potential. And I want to encourage you to take on this challenge as well, to see if you can discover the same transformative power of waking up at 5 a.m. So if you've tried waking up early before and failed, or if you're simply curious about the benefits of this routine, I want to hear from you in the comments below. Share your own experiences, your struggles, and your successes, and let's continue this conversation together. And if you're looking for more content on personal growth and modern wisdom, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of productivity hacks and self-improvement strategies.